Great day, second grade students and families. It's Mr. Sargent here with your weekly newsletter for the week of March 4th through March 8th, and we have a lot to talk about this week. So let's go ahead and get started with some school news. Now, this week we will be celebrating Reading Across America. Each day we will have a theme, as you can see here. Monday, it's Try a New Genre of Book Day. All right, Tuesday is Read a Book About a Different Culture Day. Wednesday is Let's Keep Reading. Friday, is March 8th, will be Breakfast with Books. So keep informed by checking out the Class Dojo messages on what day we're going to have and seeing all the festivities that we're going to do for the Read Across America week. All right. Now, go ahead and mark your calendars now because this Friday, March 8th, will be another half day. We'll have dismissal beginning at 12 o'clock, and it is a great way to start our long weekend because also on March 11th will be no school. We're going to have what's called a respite day, which is a day for us to just take a break, recapture the energy that we have, and get ready for our push as we go into our last part of our year. So, just as a reminder, March 8th will be a half day with dismissal at 12, and there will be no after-school programs that day. And March 11th will be no school, so that will be an extra long weekend, and I hope all of you enjoy it. For any other school news, please check out Mr. Dunn's weekly dojo message. There's some great information that he puts out there, some pictures of what we're doing in school, and some of the things that we're going to be doing in the future. And it's a great way to stay informed of all school events. All right, and it helps with any information that I missed, because sometimes you're right, I miss stuff. So definitely check that out each week. It's sent on Class Dojo, but lately it has been texted to all of us. All right, so make sure you're checking that out. All right, let's talk about what we're doing this week in the second grade. Now in ELA, we have week 19 spelling words. Now these words have a great ending sound, the ch sound or the ch sound. So let's take a look at these words real quick. All right, number 1 is letter, 2 is mother, 3 is ball, 4 is rich. Next we have study, much, such, patch, search, march, starch, rotate, tornado, funnel, group, and 6. Now, as you look at those words, you can definitely see the ch sound in a lot of those words. All right. As always, the packet will be handed out on Monday and returned on Friday completed. All right. Now, also in ELA this week, you're going to be reading not just one book, you're going to be reading 2 books. You're going to be reading The Food We Eat, talking about some of the healthy choices that we can make in our diet and what we can eat. And we also have one of my favorites, the digestive system. And I, for one, cannot wait to hear all of the discussion that you have over these books. In math this week, Monday through Wednesday, we'll continue with the last lessons on the strategy for decomposing tens and hundreds using place value charts and the vertical form. We will also be learning about horizontal notation and totals. That looks like this. All right? So if this looks familiar, it's going to be an easy week for you because on Thursday you get to show off what you know with a test on this information. So if you need more practice, definitely keep practicing. Practice makes better. Get on iReady. Get on Prodigy Math. Get on those sites that are going to help you. Splash Learn is a great place to get that extra practice to help you make sure. And the biggest way to help yourself, especially for the test on Thursday, start asking some questions. Ask for help. If there's parts you don't understand, you can ask me, you can ask Miss Lewis, you could ask anybody to help you. All right? But like I said, the best way to prepare for the test is to ask those good questions, to practice and practice and practice. So good luck on your test on Thursday. Now, science last week was incredible. I'm going to stop this video for right now because science last week was incredible. Now, parents out there, if you're watching this, last week our students learned about cells and about DNA. Now, they completed an incredible experiment that you can see some of the results right here, where they extracted the DNA from a strawberry. And ladies and gentlemen, words cannot express just how incredibly proud I am of each and every one of you. You are doing experiments and doing things that are beyond second grade, and I couldn't be more impressed, and I know you're impressing others out there. So keep up that love of science. It's incredible. Now, this week we're switching to social studies. Now, I am truly excited about what we're about to be doing in social studies. Now, already in social studies, we've learned about government, we've learned about our country, we've learned about geography. This week, we begin to learn about economics. Well, if you don't know what economics is, I'll give you a hint. Yes, we're talking about money. We're talking about businesses. We're talking about how people make money, how businesses make money, how even countries make money. And we're going to be studying the economic system in the United States to see just how businesses are successful. Now, one interesting thing that we're going to be doing in the future within the next couple of weeks is you're going to be creating your own business. We're going to start with a business model and figure out if we can produce a product that we can make money with. And ladies and gentlemen, it is going to be so much fun. I am going to be so excited to teach you all this, and hopefully you're as excited to learn about it. All right, that is it for this week, ladies and gentlemen. As a reminder, remember Friday, early release day at 12 o'clock. So start your weekend off right. And since we're going to have a long weekend because there's no school on Monday the 11th because of the respite day. So next weekend, I hope you enjoy it, but I hope you're enjoying your weekend right now too. And just let me end this with saying I am so proud to be your teacher. You have no idea, and I cannot wait to see the great things you're going to do this week. But for right now, I hope you're out there enjoying your weekend. And don't worry, I'll see you on Monday.